Wüthrich International Young Star Award. Wüthrich International Young Star Award is just for young stars. And the winner is Tomaž Tomše, Slovenia. We couldn't find any better. So this is the one. Oh, all Slovenia here. Keep it like this. There is no, don't need speech.
So, thank you so much for this great honor. I was not expecting it, so I don't have a speech ready. But it's a fantastic. I mean, it's a. I don't, I mean, it's a.
Thank you.
It's a great confirmation for what we are doing, and yeah, thank you so much.
That's okay. You spoke it. You spoke with emotions. Okay.